Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm reusing my canvas. Yep. It's 12 by 16. What is going on with this canvas? Obviously it's a little wonky. Let's put this down. And I will use primary colors and my pearl white mixture, and I will just do some wandering straight pour, old good one. And I have black too, so I will, all my paints are mixed with Ovatrol Floatrol, and I will just go 3 primaries and pearl white. And now I will go pink, magenta, cyan, and primary yellow. I was thinking that I will get pink from that. That's why. And pearl white again, and the blue, and magenta, and yellow, and some pearl white. Yellow. Magenta and cyan, and I'm just thinking to add a little black on top here, and I will pour black here on the canvas. And now I will just travel, and I kind of don't mind some negative space. Oop, there was a blob. This is my flow extender here, so it will go off. We'll just pour some black here. Just in case, if I will keep some negative space on this side, maybe. Stop for a second, grab a palette knife and cover these corners with the paint that flows off here, because it's similar to what is on here. Best way that you match your corners with your pattern to grab the paint while, you know, it's like that. Okay, and kind of see, just primary colors and black and white, and look how many shades of colors you get. I will work on those. So here I need some black. Now I will just walk this a little bit down. I love the effects from pearl white. Looks like some stones or something. I just want to bring this down a little bit. I will give it just one spin. Just don't like this part here, so I will just tilt a little bit towards that side just to straighten this up a little bit, I think. Just to get rid of that curve there. Kind of bothers me right now. Okay. Now back to the middle. Yeah, I'm done. Love it. And I know it will be quite beautiful when it will dry. I love this top part a lot. That black. I really love it. So let me take you down for a close-up. So magical. So here you can almost see some stones or something with all the colors in there, from yellow to orange to green to violet. I love it, really do. And there is some green. It's definitely looking like landscape or something, and the sky here, gorgeous. I love that. So you see, you don't need a whole lot of paints to create something nice. You can keep it simple with just primary colors and you can still get some really beautiful acrylic pour painting. Unfortunately, I again film on Monday. Life, it's crazy lately. Raiko had an operation, a procedure on, they operate his knee because he has an unfortunate accident. So, and I have to do all the chores around the house, cutting grass and everything that Raiko would do normally. This part is just gorgeous, isn't it? But I will show you the dry result on Wednesday, or maybe I will even go live Wednesday. Tell me what you think. Would you love to hang out with me, to go live? Maybe we can explore what we can do just with primary colors and white and black with some other techniques too. Thanks for watching and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!